Hello there, color with me. Black color, purple color, orange color, gray color, light blue color, yellow color, light green color. This is a star. This is a circle. This is an arrow. This is a rectangle. This is a heart. And this is a hexagon. Alrighty. This is light green color, and this is a star. Let's color the star. This is the light green star. This is yellow color, and this is a circle. Let's color the circle. This is the yellow circle. This is blue color, and this is an arrow. This is the light blue arrow. This is purple color, and this is a rectangle. Let's color the rectangle together. Finishing touches. Ooh. This is orange color, and this is a heart. Let's color the heart. This is an orange heart. And this is a hexagon. This is gray color. Let's color a hexagon. And this is a gray hexagon.